my YouTube channel. In this video we will see how to print the Fibonacci series. So first we will see the definition of Fibonacci. What is Fibonacci? It is the series sequence in which each number is the sum of two preceding ones. Example: 0 plus 1 1, 1 plus 1 2, 1 plus 2 3, 2 plus 3 5, 5 plus 3 8. So this is the Fibonacci series till 20, but 21 will not be included. So now let us solve the Fibonacci series through the logic. We will use two logic for printing the Fibonacci series. One is with for loop and one is with while loop. So first we will discuss the Fibonacci using the for loop. Second, we will discuss the Fibonacci series with the while loop. That means while the condition is true, our logic will execute. Or Fibonacci using for loop means till the range function is there, stop value is there, our loop will execute. So we will take first a is equal to 0. Initial value it was 0. One variable we can take a as 0. Then b as 1. Then 1 plus 1 2. Next is the sum. So c we can take as a plus b. So 2 plus 3 5, 5 plus 3 8, like that it is going to print. 13 plus 8 21. So using for loop what we will do, we will print first 19 terms. So our logic will be a is equal to 0, b is equal to 1, c is equal to a plus b. Before that we will print a and print b, that means two terms are already printed. So for I in range 1, 20, that means this loop will work 19 times. So 19 times our logic will execute, this loop will work. So what we have to do, print a, print b. Initial terms we will print outside the for loop because it will print only one time. Print a, print b. Next what we have to do, c is equal to a plus b. We will calculate the sum and we will write print c. Next a is equal to b, b is equal to c. B value we are initializing to a variable, c value initializing to b variable, because every time the sum is getting depending on the a and b only. In case of while loop, while a plus b less than equal to 100, that means till the value of a plus b is less than equal to 100, till the sum is less than equal to 100, we will print the series. So first print a, print b as it is, then a is equal to b, b is equal to c. B value we are giving to a, c value we are giving to b, a plus b we are assigning value as c. So you can check through the example. Initially a is equal to 0, b is equal to 1, c is equal to a plus b. 0 plus 1 means 1. That means if I is equal to 1, c value is 1. Next a value will be, new value of a will be 1, b new value will be 1. If I is equal to 2, c is equal to 1 plus 1 2. A will be, new value of a is 1, new value of a is 1, new value of b is 2, because c is having 2 values, so b also will have 2. B is equal to 2. B is equal to 2. In the next loop, c is equal to 1 plus 2 is 3. A will be 2 and b will be 3. I is equal to 3, c is equal to 3. Third time when loop is executing, a is equal to 2, b is equal to 3. I is equal to 4 time, c is equal to 3 plus 2, a plus 2, a plus b, 5. A value will be 3 and b value will be 5. So 5 plus 3, 8. Like that logic will work. Next 8 plus 5, 13. 13 plus 8, 21. Like that we can print the Fibonacci series. So in the for loop what we have used, we have print 19 terms using Fibonacci series. In the second Fibonacci using while loop, we have print the sum till the value is less than 100. Till the value is less than equal to 100. So now let us see the logic will be same only, instead only for loop and while loop is changing. Now let us execute this through the IDLE. So using the IDLE, how you are going to write your program? Fibonacci using for and while loop. A is equal to 0, B is equal to 1 for I in range 1 comma 21. 1 comma 20. If 100 you are writing, that means 100 terms will be more, so we will change it to 20 or 21 terms. C is equal to A plus B, A is equal to B, B is equal to C. Here you can change 100 as print C comma and is equal to space. That is also there because next value also should be printed on the same line. That's why we are using and here A and B value we are not printing. What if you will execute it, save it, so output will be 1 2 3 5 8 13 21 34 55, but we have not print A and 0. That also you can write. First it should print A is equal to 0, B is equal to 1. That also you can include. Now in case of while loop, same, we will take A is equal to 0, B is equal to 1, C is equal to A plus B. Print A, then print B, then while A plus B less than equal to 100 or while sum is less than equal to 100, till then we will print the values B comma and is equal to space, so that the output will be printed in the single line. While C less than equal to 100, print C, assign the value of B to A and C to B. Execute it. Execute it, so you will get the same output 0 1. Fibonacci using while loop. Give some proper name. 0 1 1. So the next all are coming in the separate line. So what we have to do, C comma and is equal to space. So this is the Fibonacci series till the sum is 100. I hope you have understood the program using for and while loop. If you have understood, please like, share and subscribe the channel for more such videos. Thank you for watching.